Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 1. I hope you are fine and safe at your homes. I am your teacher Miss Tuba and today I am going to teach you English. Our today's work is on our school workbook. We have to do page number 8 and 9 of our school workbook. We have to write the first letter of the pictures on this page. So all of you please take out your school workbook. First you have to open page number 8. You have to ready your page. Write date and day and classwork on the top of the page. Today the date is 19/5 and the day is Wednesday. Now you have to read the caption loudly. You have to read with me. Write the first letter of the picture. Write the first letter of the picture. You can see many pictures on this page. First you have to recognize the picture and then you have to recall the name of that picture. आप इस पेज पे काफ़ी सारी पिक्चर्स देख सकते हैं. आपने पिक्चर को पहचानना है, उसका नेम याद करना है और फिर आपने फिगर आउट करना है कि ये नेम स्टार्ट कौन से लेटर से होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन सी एन एप्पल and the apple start with letter A, so we can write A in the given space. You have to write capital A and the small a. Now look at the next picture. You can see a bird. B for bird. We can write B for bird. We have to write capital B and the small b. Now look at the next picture. C, cat. We can write C for cat. D, dog. You can write D for dog. E, egg. You can write E for egg. F, fish. We can write F for fish. G for girl. Hat. You can see a hat here. H for hat. I for ice. We can write I for ice. J. We can write J for juice. K. We can write letter K for kite. L. We can write L for lion. Moon. M for moon. We have completed this page. Now turn your next page, that is page number 9. On this page you have to write date and day first, and you also have to write classwork. Read the caption with me. Write the first letter of the picture. इस पेज पे भी आपने पिक्चर्स के फर्स्ट लेटर को राइट डाउन करना है. Look at the first picture. Net. We can write N for net. Orange. Orange start with letter O, so we can write O here. O, orange. Pan. We can write P for pan. Queen. We can write Q for queen. Ring. You can see a ring. We can write R for ring. You have to write capital R and small r. Sofa. S. Sofa. We can write S for sofa. Tub. We can write T for tub. Our next picture is of upstairs. We can write U for upstairs. Van. We can write V for van. Water. We can write letter W for water. X-ray. We can write letter X for X-ray. Here you can see a toy, that is yo-yo. We can write Y for yo-yo. Zip. Z for zip. We have to write Z here. In that way you will complete your work. Your today's work is quite simple and interesting. I hope you enjoy your work. Do your work neatly and carefully. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.